Hi everyone, my name is Leena and I'm an astrologer and a blogger. And today I will be talking on KP combinations to check high profile career in the horoscope. But before that, let me walk you through my KP astrology course known as Master the Horoscope Readings. Alright, this is the landing page of the KP astrology course and Master the Horoscope Readings. And in this course, I have covered all the important topics, starting from basic astrology to KP rules and combinations you need to know to answer different kind of queries. So this will be a 15 module course and you will get some bonus stuff with each module, like details of reference guide made on 9 planets and houses, which I feel are really useful for an astrologer to know. And profession and marriage, they have been most researched topics, so definitely these will include my research experience, and then horary, and finally about transit results. So I have covered all the topics, like it can be KP rules, then career, then finance, relationship, health, education, and then the birth time rectification and use of ruling planets, property and litigation analysis, childbirth, and then KP script to get best results. So this is something different because through this you can know from moon nakshatra about your day-to-day activities. Okay. Now, if you're interested, just fill the intent form over here, and I would highly recommend to pre-enroll for this course. So if you enroll today like this, you will see this form in front of you, and here if you enroll today, you will get a discount of rupees 2000, as this is an early bird discount, and this offer is available till 30th September, and I will be launching the course in mid of October. So once you pre-enroll, then I will be sharing the further details of my course. And in this, I have covered the frequently asked questions, and even if some queries left, you can definitely ask me by sending me emails. So once you pre-enroll, then I will be sharing the further details of my course. Alright, let's start with today's topic, how to check high profile career in the horoscope. So first, let's understand what is the meaning of high profile job. You know, that job that gives you a senior position in the company, that is well established and most desired by potential employees. So these people, they get fame through social media, be it news channel or business magazines. Now the truth is that an ordinary person does not even get the interview to these big tech companies, and very qualified applicants get the interview, and the interview process is long and eligibility criteria varies. So big school, highly skilled, great grasping power, genius, and amazing work experience. So now if you have a horoscope and you want to know about the future prospects, this requires in-depth analysis. A single planet cannot give you complete picture of your career. Remember this point. So start with first house cusp script like this. And this first house tells about yourself, your image and recognition and your achievements. So now this should include second house, that is finance, then fifth house, then ninth and third house, and 7th, 10th and 11th. And then your education basic know-how. This should include the best combinations of education, that is second house, 4th, 5th, 9th and 11th, and there should be no negation. And then see 6th house, because this shows the job. 6th house, as we're looking for a job, and the best combinations will be second house, 5th, 6th, 10th and 11th. And then the 10th house script. And now if you notice that there is a repetition of few houses, and that is 2, 4, 5, 10 and 11. Now let me explain you the reason of this repetition in the horoscope. Because see, first house, this states about your image and achievement, And then the most important house, fifth house. This is the Purv Punya Bhav, past life, good deeds. And this states that a person with his past life traits will continue this life journey and will move towards superiority, like towards excellence. And this, so knowledge of past life has been transferred to this life. Now, in such cases, a person is very intelligent and intuitive and creative person. This is fifth house. Then let me tell you about fourth house. See, fourth house is comfort and happiness in a person's life, and it is also called moksha bhava. So, this house states the connection and linkage with Supreme Soul. Now, fourth house states level of your luxury and comfort, and it represents education and heritage also. So, fourth house mainly refers to mental peace and emotional satisfaction. Now, if second house, if you have to know about the second house, then second house states about your accumulated wealth, resources. Second house, it represents the material possession and any kind of treasure, cash, gold or property. Then if you see, eighth house is also here. So here eighth house, this gives sudden problems and stress in career. And these high profile jobs are not easy. They have sleepless nights, so many fears, different kind of fears and insecurities, and they are the face of the company. So one wrong decision and tech company can face huge loss. So, but same way, eighth house is the treasure of your employer. So company stocks, gratuity. And then ninth house. Ninth house indicates wisdom, higher communication, fortune, and invention, exploration, and then intuition. See, this tells about the dreams and vision also. The legal department is also governed by ninth house, and then international affairs and good conduct. So then let's understand 10th house. So 10th house indicates reputation, dignity and public esteem, status, power and prestige. So promotions, and then honor from government and authority, and then president. Okay, so 11th house states victory over enemies and freedom from misery and pain, realization of dreams, wealth and gains and success, profits, prosperity, and progress in attempts. So, and then finally come to the running dasha. See, running dasha should involve the favorable combinations like first house, second, 4, 9, 6 and 10. These should be these should be included in your current dasha, the ongoing dasha. Okay, now let me explain you the combinations with the help of this chart. So this is a chart of a president of a big tech company. And first let's find out the self-significators of this chart, which is Ketu, Sun and Moon. See, there is no planet which is in Ketu star, and then no planet in Sun and Moon. Okay. So now let's understand the first house script. See, first house Kaspal sublord is Mars. Okay. Then fourth house is Rahu. Then sixth house Kaspal sublord is Jupiter. And then 10th house Kaspal sublord is Rahu. We have to mark these planets and then see the script on this chart. Now if you see, we saw the first house Kaspal sublord was Mars. So we have to check Mars script. If it is involving fifth house, then Mars and showing fifth house and posited in fifth house. So very sharp-minded and intellectual. See, Mars in fifth house will fulfill his life goals or get recognition by using technical knowledge and can even explore product development. And then fourth house, we marked Rahu. So Rahu in Mercury star. Okay, so Mercury, it's a karaka of documentation, accounting, marketing, information is Mercury. So information technology, and then it signifies trading. So it can be an online business, e-commerce. Then Mercury governs intelligence and networking and your communication skills. And if Mercury is strong in the chart, then one is very good at sales and marketing. So best thing of Mercury in if linked with 10th house is that they have very good convincing power. So here Mercury is linked with 4th house and 10th house. 4th house shows education and then 10th house shows your career. So, and so this is a chart of a lady and she's a marketing technology leader at multinational company. She's leading the strategy and engineering for modernizing marketing. Okay, now 6th house cuspal sublord, we saw it was Jupiter. So if you see the Jupiter script, again, Jupiter is showing the involvement of 11th house, and even towards end, it is showing 4th house and 12th house. Jupiter is a 6th house cuspal sublord, and it shows 1st house and 11th house. And if you see in the previous, this one, that Jupiter is also the sublord of 3rd house, 6th, 9th and 12th. If you see over here, 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9 over here at star lord, and at 12th cuspal sublord. Like this we have to check the script. So if we see 10th house cuspal script, 10th house cuspal sublord is Rahu. It is again showing 2nd house, 4th, 5th, 9th and 10th. So this way all the majority of the combinations are very strong and they are showing success and achievements. So let's come to the dasha part, which is most important. So when she started her career, she was going through Saturn Mahadasha. Saturn Mahadasha is involving Rahu. See, Rahu coordinators got active when Saturn Mahadasha started. So all these houses, they got activated. She got best education, then she got recruited, and then she got achievements and recognition. So right time and right dasha, that is the secret. So like 9 and 12, this involve like 9, 12 and Rahu. This shows foreign company. And since the star lord, it did not change. So even when Mercury dasha started, Rahu is still active and working at star lord level. So this way I've shared my understanding to analyze career. Like, see, you have to check all the combinations. You have to make the combinations yourself. There is no fixed combination. You understand the query first, then see what houses will make this combination. What houses are required. Like like in this case, education is must. Higher education is must. Then only you get high profile jobs. That is quite clear. And then education, then job, then gains, and then finance. All these collectively make an impact. They all together give results in the horoscope. So hope this helped, and I've shared the link in the description box. You can check the landing page I have created for the course, and let me know if any queries. I will try my best to answer. Have a great life.